Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Highlander XLE Nightshade. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Salsa Red Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 riding on top of 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your black grille along with other black accents that come with this Nightshade package, your smart key system that allows for easy access, turn signals on the side mirrors, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this Highlander has to offer. So helping us inside, we got our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button on the top. Right here we got our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. And on the bottom you do have your planning button. We're gonna hop into driver's side first. This vehicle does have a smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Right in the bottom of the door you do have some storage space and a nice little space there as well underneath the handle. Up top you got your power windows, locks, mirrors. Here you have your black softex seating with red stitching, and underneath you do have your automatic power seating adjustment buttons. And why don't we hop inside now, start this Highlander up. There's a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake and press that start button. So we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Got these arrows right here. These will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you do have this cluster here. Will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up the top, like so. Toyota Safety Sense buttons, lane departure assist, dynamic cruise control speed settings right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen, right now we're on home. We got this nice little split screen going. This Highlander has navigation. If you press that, the map will enlarge. Go in audio, shows your sources. Of course, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. Backup camera, nice and clear. You get those nice guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control settings. It's a dual zone system, so you can adjust the temperature on both sides. You also have your heated mirrors buttons right there. Underneath you do have this nice little shelf here that runs along the whole side, and you can remove this and run cables through there, and that'll come right under there, so there's no mess going on. Here you have your different drivetrain options. USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet. Next to the shifter you have your 2 cup holders. Behind it you have your driver and passenger heated seat buttons. Center console, lots of room in here. You got this nice little shelf up top, slides around. And inside you also have another 12-volt outlet. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the glove box. Nice and simple in there. Plenty of space. Just close that right up. So before we take a look at cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. More black softex seating with that red stitching. In the center here, the rear passengers do have their own climate control system. If we pull this up, that'll give you a nice little armrest, perhaps. You also got 2 cup holders in there as well. And these seats do fold down. Press that up, and that'll give you access to that 3rd row seating right in the back. So to open up, all you got to do is just hold this power liftgate button right on the key fob, and that liftgate will open up right on its own. Right now we do have the 3rd row seating that is up. To put those down, just pull these little tabs up, and they go down just like so, providing you with plenty of space. And the 2nd row seating goes down as well, encasing that extra bit of room. On the side you do have those 2 cup holders. And lastly, underneath here are your, you got some storage space, and as well as your tools to change your spare tire, which is located underneath the vehicle in case that ever goes. So to close up, all you got to do is just press this button right up top here, and that power liftgate will close right on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Highlander XLE Nightshade. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, navigation, backup camera, and Bluetooth audio. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.